I guess in order for me to say this, please do not forget how many students you're dealing with, okay? And now we can just answer the questions outright, right? How many students in Robert's survey listened to WROK but not WRAP?
23.
23. WRAP but not WROK?
18.
18.
11.
Neither. 11. Okay? It helps to just kind of write this stuff out so that you'll know, okay, what is it that I'm doing? How am I going to solve this? Okay? It helps. I'm going to have to move this up a little bit. Okay. All right. So, sorry if this answer right here is impeding on to the other side of the page. My bad. It's on the back. The C is on the back. But if you look at this, Amanda did a study of the colors used in African national flags, right? I accidentally put he. He found that 38 flags have red, 20 have blue, 13 have both red and blue, and 8 have neither red nor blue, right? So first, let's make a Venn diagram to represent the data. Well, it's going to be sometimes. All right. Sometimes you're going to be dealing with never. Sometimes you're going to be dealing with always. But most of the time, you're going to be dealing with sometimes. I'm going to be honest. All right. So, African flags. Flags. Red, blue. Okay? How many have red in them?
38.
38, right? How many have blue?
20.
20. How many have both?
13.
13.
And then 8 have none.
8 have none. Right? So, how many flags have red but not blue? 38, obviously. How many have blue but not red? 20. And then on the back says, how many, pretty much it's supposed to say, how many were included in the study?
79.
79. Good so far? 79.
7.
You saw me a roll because you don't keep up with that.
Yeah, sure, go ahead. The mouse is already over here, so just,
Where is it?
yeah. So just, dial it down just a little bit. There we go. Dial it down, or not. Keep going, keep going. Keep going to the symbols is like right here. There, oh, come back. Yep, there we go. Thank you. Okay, so, symbols. Yeah, symbols. Symbols are everything in this, okay? Be clear. Y'all need to understand these symbols, okay? I cannot stress this enough, because you will be seeing them for the rest of this chapter.
Are we in chapter 2?
Yes, we are.
What?
Or, okay? When you see the V right here, okay? The V looking thing, that is or.
Oh. V for or?
Yes.
Why isn't it just?
Well, the V. It's not really a V.
Oh, is it supposed to be a down arrow?
It's supposed to be, yeah.
Oh, but you just put the V.
Why isn't the V just or?
Yeah.
Well, why make it complicated?
No, honestly, it's supposed to be a down arrow. See, it's supposed to be a down arrow, but they don't have that. Well, I couldn't find that, so I just put a V right there. I found the up arrow though, which means and. Up arrow means and. Down arrow means
They
or.
might as well use military signs.
Huh? There's no down arrow.
They might as well.
Okay? And the arrow going like this. The arrow going like this
Maybe.
is if,
If
then.
then.
Yes. These are what your statements will be made of. You have if-then statements. Okay? If Floyd raises his hand, then Mr. Conjure will call on him. What you need?
So, do we have to put if then in like both of them, or could we just put if or then?
No. Pretty much how I stated it. If Floyd raises his hand, then Mr. Conjure will call on him.
I didn't even catch
So
what
that
you
one's
did.
for both.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what we call an if-then statement, okay?
If
And then you have your little squiggly sign right here. Remember I made the squiggly sign over top of the equal sign for congruent? What do you think it is?
It's equal to.
No,
Oh.
it is your not,
Oh.
okay?
I thought it was
When you have that squiggly sign by itself, it is your not.
I was thinking of the where it's squiggly and then squiggly for the equal sign. That's equal or equal to.
Congruent. The squiggly with the equal sign is the congruence.
No, I'm saying it's an equal sign, but instead of the straight lines, it's the squigglies.
Oh, yeah. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
That's the similar sign.
Yeah.
Use symbols such as or, and, if then, and not to represent the following statements, okay?
Wait, what?
P, yes. Okay, so in this type of situation, you have P, Q, and R. P represents vertical angles are congruent. Q represents the sum of two even numbers is even.
Okay.
R represents 3 is not an even number. Okay? So, a couple of these statements are true. Actually, all of them. Okay? The sum of two even numbers, like 8 and 4 is 12, 2 and 2 is 4, you know,
Plus 21.
2 and 6 is 8. The sum of two even numbers is an even answer. That is correct. So, looking at this, let's write this stuff out, okay? And I'm gonna do this slow. Look at how I'm doing this. Vertical angles are congruent. Vertical angles are congruent. This one right here. Which of these up here is that state? What does it associate itself with?
P.
P, yes.
Yes.
So, vertical angles are congruent. That's your P.
Oh, I thought we were doing the or and.
Yes.
You're gonna get it, you're gonna get it. And the sum of two even numbers is even.
Q.
What is it?
Q.
Q.
So it's the P and the little upside of the Q.
What's your answer?
So it's the P and then the upside of the little Q.
Which one? First or second, third, or fourth?
It's the
Second.
arrow.
Second, good job. So, it's the P, good job.
I
P,
feel like I'm coding stuff now.
upside, and Q. Okay? P and Q.
So that one would be squiggly line.
So, look at number 2. Number 2 says 3 is not. 3 is not an even number. Okay? 3 is not an even number. Well, I mean, the not is already in there, so you shouldn't have to put that there. I don't know why I underlined it. I'm sorry. 3 is not an even number. So what is that one?
R squiggle.
No, it's not a squiggle, because what is R? What does R say?
If the
Or it's the down.
wouldn't it be
It's R down and then the other one.
not down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
R
Oh,
down
or-
and then P.
I was looking at number 1
It's
again.
down.
It'll be R,
Down P.
down, and vertical angles are congruent.
P.
P.
Yeah.
Good job. R,
Yeah, this is
Ro-
backward.
So
Down.
repeat. Repeat.
once I show y'all how to do it, it's pretty much easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so, look at number 3 though.
Oh, wait, one sec.
Number 3 says the sum of 2 even numbers is not even. Not
Huh?
even. The sum of 2 even numbers is not even, and 3 is not an even number, okay? So, here's the thing. If not is already in there,
So do
Right.
you put the little squiggly on the fourth letter?
yes.
Oh.
Let me show you.
R.
If not is already in there, then that's what R represents, right? So in this type of situation, if not is entered in here, then first off, what statement is this associated with?
That is
Q.
Q. So we're gonna say not Q
Q and R.
and
Oh.
R. Okay?
Oh, okay.
So it would be not Q